Welcome dear friends. In this video we're going to show you how to fix Windows Update errors. I'm using Windows 10, but these solutions worked perfect for many of our customers running other operating systems such as Windows 7 and Windows 8. Solution 1. Windows Update Troubleshooter. Go to Start and search for CMD. Right-click and run as administrator. Now execute this command. I've provided all the commands that I use at the end of the video description. Choose Next. Once this wizard completes processing, please close it. Go ahead and restart the PC. Once your PC is back after restart, please retry Windows Update. Solution 2. Reset Windows Update components. Please download the reset script file from Microsoft Forum. All links are provided at the end of the video description. Extract the content. Right-click WU-reset.bat and select Run as administrator. Please wait for the task completion. Now restart your computer and check for the updates again. Solution 3. Manually clean up SoftwareDistribution folder. Open services.msc. Look for these services one by one and ensure the startup type is set as automatic. Now open admin command prompt and execute these commands one after another. Now please restart your PC and see if it fixes your issue. Solution 4. Install updates from Microsoft Update Catalog. From the failure message, note down the package name. Search at catalog.update.microsoft.com. You can download and install the failed package manually. Or you can even download cumulative rollup updates and install them. Remember, Microsoft releases rollup update every month. So if you have not updated your system for the last 3 months, maybe you can download last 3 months rollup updates and install them manually one after another. Solution 5. Turn on DEP for Windows programs and services only. Open sysdm.cpl. Please select Advanced. Select Settings over here. Choose Data Execution Prevention tab. Ensure Turn on DEP for Essential Windows programs and services only is selected. Now please restart your PC and see if it fixes your issue. Solution 6. Run .NET Framework Repair Tool. Please download this tool from Microsoft website. Run the downloaded exe. Once this wizard completes, restart the PC and retry Windows Update. Solution 7. Install SHA-2 support packages. Please go to catalog.update.microsoft.com. Download these 3 packages. Please install KB4490628. Once installation completes, restart your PC and see if it fixes your issue. If the issue is not fixed, please install the other 2 packages in the same way. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, please add your comments below, I'll respond to you. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done already. Thank you so much for watching.